10 ways to launch a book for less than $500. Book launches are an important part of any book promotion strategy. They can be expensive, though, and sometimes it's hard to figure out how to do them on a budget. This video will show you 10 ways that you can use to plan your own book launch without spending more than $500. Number 1. Create a Facebook event and invite all your friends. Number 2. Promote the launch on social media with links to purchase or pre-order the book. Number 3. Send out an email blast to your newsletter subscribers, letting them know about the upcoming release date and offer a special discount code for those who want to buy it now. Number 4. Give away prizes for pre-orders. Number 5. Create a free giveaway with the purchase of your book. Number 6. Share your book launch on your social media accounts. Number 7. Send out promotional postcards to local businesses in the area of your book launch. Number 8. Find someone who will offer their space for free or at a discounted rate to use as the venue for your in-person book launch. Number 9. Use free marketing materials like business cards, flyers, posters, etc. that you can find online or make yourself. Number 10. Link up with other authors to do cross-promotions on sites like StoryOrigins. We hope these ideas will help you to plan your own book launch. Do you have any tips that worked for you? Let us know in the comments below. We hope you enjoyed this video on 10 ways to launch a book for less than $500. Please like and subscribe to our channel so we can continue to provide you with quality content for indie authors. Drop us a comment below on what kind of topics you'd like us to cover. Get more high-quality content over on our website at indieauthorresources.com.